Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Ethereum Name Service for wallet address updates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize the Ethereum Name Service for wallet address updates, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Ethereum Name Service's official website. Once there, locate the Connect Wallet option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on Connect Wallet to initiate the process. Select the wallet you wish to connect. If you're using MetaMask, click on the MetaMask option. Follow the prompts to sign into your wallet. After signing in, grant any necessary permissions to the Ethereum Name Service. Once connected, navigate to the dashboard or similar section of the platform. Here, you will see your current Ethereum Name Service entries. Select the name you want to update by clicking on it. Next, look for the option labeled Edit or Update Address. Enter the new wallet address you wish to link to your Ethereum name. Double-check the wallet address for accuracy before proceeding. After confirming the address, look for a button labeled Authorize or Save Changes. Click on that button to initiate the authorization. A prompt will appear in your wallet asking you to confirm the transaction. Review the details and approve the transaction in your wallet. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the Ethereum blockchain. Once complete, your Ethereum Name Service will reflect the updated wallet address. Finally, refresh the dashboard to see the changes take effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.